Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vegan Brie. I talk about all things vegan and cruelty-free beauty. It is late, it's like 8 o'clock. I just got back from taking my kid to urgent care. So yeah, she's getting an antibiotic for her thumb. I'm a little oily because it's the end of the day, but I got my Adept mystery box. Okay, so I'll show you guys what it looked like when I packaged it, but it has a plastic thing to separate all the pans. I actually still have the liners on my arm. So the liners were all rubber banded together, which whatever, but there are 8 liquid liners. So my gripe is that I don't like that they revealed it. I thought it was kind of weird, sorry. So these are what the liners look like. The thing that I would say about my gripe with the liners, which I wish they were in a pen format, but that's fine. You can only differentiate the liners by the name here, but there's no they're all rose gold and black, which is pretty. And they're very pretty liners. I'm gonna show you guys on my hand. 2 are very similar. The palette, there's 3 light shades. Let me show you guys right now. So this is the palette. I have the plastic still on. So there are 3 light shades. One is a little warmer, which is Inglewood. And then Wilshire. These are all LA names. I've never been to LA. I've only been at the airport. This is probably what I'm going to use to set my primer. And then this one is a little bit more cool. And then the black's really good. The warm tone's really good. I do wish there was a different shade besides the 2 dark browns. One's more of an espresso brown, and then one's just a dark brown. These shimmers are absolutely that does not even do it justice, but this is a multi-chrome. They feel amazing. This is a little gritty, but not it's fine. It's really good still. And then this is a almost cream to powder formula. Beautiful. So when it comes to the liners, I'm going to do a look of this. You can actually see the shiftiness. I'll try to do a couple. Okay. It's almost like a cooling vibe. Ooh, look at that. That looks pretty cool. Okay, that wasn't actually not too hard to do. I definitely want to do a green. Gold Ducat, I don't know. That's pretty cool. And then I do hope they come out with gel liners. And I did think they were going to put one of their blush palettes in there, but they didn't, which is fine. But I would love to see a lip liner or gel liners, or even a gel pot, gel pencils, gel pot, something like that. That is pretty cool. These are fun. I will say that. Even if you don't like liquid liner, even on the lower lash line, it's kind of fun. I'm watching this up. But even if I wasn't, this is fun. Also, just another thing, I would say I wish that there was more differentiation. I don't want 8 of the same product in a mystery box. And also, it'd be kind of cool if people could get different products from each other. Just, I don't know, $135 for 8 liners and this palette. So, yeah. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up. I will be doing lots of looks, so stay tuned. And thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.